Alright, welcome to Crypto Money Guru, and today we have very good news for you. So, welcome you all here, and today we will talk about the rise of Bitcoin. Yes, the rise of Bitcoin again after a deep blood crash. And first, we will talk about Sportsbet.io and Arsenal FC launch augmented reality matchday program for fans and influencers. Mm. So many companies are coming to Bitcoin, crypto, and other projects to launch their services, to give their services and other fan tokens. Sportsbet.io are using their partnerships in football to redefine the fan experience by combining cutting edge technology with their crypto expertise, delivering exclusive experiences that reward Arsenal's large global fan base and Sportsbet.io customers. The initiative is a demonstration of Sports.io's constant drive to innovate, and the sportsbook believe that the role of cryptocurrency in sports is only going to increase. Yes, similar way we have another token that is called Holo and another token that is called Reef. So many good projects are here for on blockchain. Yes. So now what? US, another news. US Secretary Chair says more investor protection needs on crypto exchanges. There are two type of persons. One love cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and others just defame those cryptocurrencies and projects. So now let's see who will win. But as per my point, crypto will win in the long run, so invest in good cryptos. And today I have a very good crypto coin for you, which I am going to tell you. But please, it is my humble request, please subscribe the channel, share the video, and hit the bell icon, so whenever I post a new video you get the instant notification. And also make a comment if you like the video, and share the video with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, so they can get benefit with this low cost market cap and very good altcoin gem. Yes, I'm going to tell you about that, but right now, before that, we are discussing about latest news. Election candidates in Russia to disclose crypto investments, and new bill suggest. Okay, a new bill obligation candidates running the election in Russia to declare their spendings on digital assets has hit the floor of the state Duma. According to the draft, Russian politicians will be required to disclose details about every crypto purchase they and their families make if the total exceeds a certain amount. Yes. So if all over the world, now you can guess, from all over the world, politicians from Russia, from China, from other countries, Ukraine, and many other countries like European countries investing in the crypto assets, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. Then why suddenly some news comes that China have stopped or blocked financial institutions just to trade in crypto assets or anything else like this type of news? Because these politicians, these big corporates do not want me, you, us, that we become rich. This is the main reason. So always believe on your cryptos, believe on your research, believe on your crypto assets. And if me and you decide that we will never sell our good crypto assets in any conditions, either whatever the market is, either in uptrend or either in downtrend, then from where they will buy those? You tell, from where they will buy those? They buy from our panic, they buy from our afraid, they buy from our emotions. So that's why they keep trying spreading uh, wrong news or news something like that. As some countries have banned the cryptocurrency, some countries have introduced new bills, some countries have introduced something else. But if that gonna happen, that why every year, every time Bitcoin is rising? Why? You can see from the 2009 Bitcoin, from where Bitcoin started and from where it is right now. It is right now more than 40,000. Why? So question this to your mind. Why? Ask a question to your mind, to your heart. Why? So now let's talk about a cryptocurrency. Now first we will talk about the current market, where the market is. What is the current market right now? So we will talk about, okay, so at right we are at 1.79 trillion market cap, 6% up. Bitcoin is around more than 40,200 and Ethereum is 2,788. Cardano is $1.81. Invest in good coins like Cardano, like other good investments. Then you will definitely feel proud that you have invested in good crypto assets. And this is the market situation. Many are in red right now. Also, many are in green right now. And market is recovering every day. And now we will talk about the coin of the day, altcoin of the future, where you can make money by investing at low price right now. So this is Loom network. Yes, the production really ready multi-chain interop platform for serious dApp developers. Loom network provides developers the scalability and usability they need to build high performance user friendly dApp today. Dapp, defi, every day these types of services increasing day by day. Every day, day by day, every minute they are increasing from all over the world. People using defi, decentralized finance services, decentralized exchange services, decentralized dapp services. You can see with seamless integration to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Chain, and all major blockchains. Deploying once to Loom lets you future-proof your dApp by reaching the largest number of users possible. Developers start building now. They already have a product where developers can go and start building their projects on blockchain, on crypto assets, crypto coins. So this is the Loom network. And what now? Why developers love Loom? Production ready today, fast and scalable for serious dApp, frictionless user experience, access to a massive user base, top-notch security, future-proof your dApp, deploy your dApp in minutes. Everything is ready to Loom mainnet already launched for developers by developers. Learn to code with crypto zombies and everything here. You can see the dApp network, Loom network. Media mention CNN, VB, TechCrunch, Coin Central, and now we will see about their community. Yes, they have built a community. They have Facebook page, they have Telegram page, they have Telegram account, they have Twitter, they have Medium, they are everywhere. So now they have more than 12,800 Facebook followers. You can see their community is growing every day. And they have Telegram 6,715 members and 341 right now online on their Telegram channel. Now we see that the Loom network have more than 32,700 followers on Twitter. This is Loom network. It is day by day growing and every day you will see that people already in following Loom, and now we talk about their team. If they show their team now, then we will go analyze other things about the Loom. And Loom is where right now? Loom is very good altcoin investment for future. Now you can see Loom is right now at more than 8.5 cents, and it's 7% up. Already on CoinMarketCap, more than 22,000 people watching this and on their watch list. It is Ethereum based, and the platform Cosmos ecosystem enterprise solution, and CoinMarketCap rank is 367 and 8 cent. You can see that right now their price is more than 8 cent. It was on 26 cent around 3rd April on this year. And how many markets it is right now listed? You can see it is listed on 58 marketplaces and on big crypto exchanges like Coinbase. Already US big crypto exchange have given it listing. Coinbase and Binance, these are the major crypto exchanges. When these types of good projects listed on Coinbase and Binance, you can see what will be the future when the market will be in positive mood, then when the market will be in mainstream, and then when the market will be in right position. So invest, your money will definitely 5 or 6x soon. As per my price prediction, Loom network will have the potential to touch around minimum 50 cent price point. 50 cent it will touch as per my prediction, and its market cap is around 86 million. You can see, and how many coins they have. These are these numbers: circulating supply, total supply, and definitely it's a good investment for you. But before investing, please do your own research. Do not invest before your own research. It's my suggestion, it's my humble request, because your hard-earned money belongs to you and your risk. And so please, before investing, do your own research. But as per my price prediction, it will go to 50 cents soon, and your money will be 5 or 6x very soon, 5 or 6 times very soon. And it's a good project. Only few million needs to come so it will definitely go to the moon, we can say. Already it's on Loom network enables huge games like World of Warcraft to run on blockchain. You can see that. What is Loom network, how it is providing services. Here are the 12 startups in Techstars NYC Winter 2018 class. TechCrunch, the latest startups to participate in TechCrunch New NYC have spent the past week pitching investors, journalists, and broader New York community. I swung by the accelerators new office a few days ago to meet each team in a 2-hour period. So here is the list, and you will see the Loom network is in the list. Yes, is a blockchain infrastructure company. The goal is to help developers create Twitter or World of Warcraft scale apps on top of Ethereum, with the initial focus on bringing game developers into the platform. So You can see they are on rise, and already they are providing good services. So invest, and you will definitely see your money will multiply definitely to 55 or 6x. And right now Bitcoin price is below the 40,000 mark, and it will, but hold your Bitcoins, hold your good assets. Your cryptocurrency is never going to anyone. If we all, me and you, just decided that we will never sell our even a single coin to anyone in any market condition, either in crashed market situation or either in uptrend, and from where those big whales, from where those politicians, corrupt politicians who wanted to steal our crypto assets by spreading fake or negative news, then from where they will able to buy. You think about it. And if you like the video, please share the video with your Facebook friends, WhatsApp, and Twitter, so they can benefit from this study. And please make a good comment. And thank you. Alvida. Bye bye. Namaskar.